If you own a small business, 2026 is shaping up to be one of the biggest years for tax law updates in a decade. From bonus depreciation and 1099 reporting thresholds to privacy compliance and payroll rules, there's a lot to unpack. But don't worry, we've got you covered. At 1-800-ACCOUNTANT, we make it easy for small business owners to stay compliant, save money, and plan ahead. Here are some major federal tax law changes. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act, signed in July 2025, reshaped key parts of the tax code for small businesses. Businesses can again fully expense qualifying property like machinery, vehicles, and software in their first year. You can now deduct up to $2.5 million, with the phase-out starting at $4 million. Domestic research costs can be deducted immediately instead of amortized over 5 years. The 20% deduction for pass-through entities remains intact with higher income thresholds. Deduction cap returns to 30% of EBITDA, not EBIT, which helps capital-intensive industries. The state and local tax deduction cap jumps from $10,000 to $40,000 for incomes under $500,000. Starting in 2025, platforms like PayPal or Venmo only issue Form 1099-K if you exceed $20,000 and 200 transactions. For 1099 NEC MISC, the $600 threshold stays in place for 2025, but increases to $2,000 in 2026, reducing filing volume for small payers. Payroll and employment changes. The federal overtime exempt salary threshold remains $684 per week, but many states increased theirs, like California, which was $1,320 a week, and Washington, up to $1,499 per week. Employers must continue timely Form 941 filings and FUTA deposits. Late deposits can cost up to 15% penalty. Beginning January 17, 2026, if a small contractor is sold to a larger company, option years on federal set-aside contracts may be void. Owners planning to sell government contracting firms should review deals now to protect value. In March 2025, FinCEN removed U.S. entities from beneficial ownership reporting, but New York LLCs are still required to file owner disclosures starting January 1, 2026, with annual updates. Missing filings may trigger penalties. Between 2025 and 2026, new privacy laws take effect in Delaware, Iowa, New Hampshire, Minnesota, Tennessee, Maryland, and California's DELETE Act, requiring updates to your privacy policies and data deletion processes. EV and charging station credits end after September 30th, 2025 and June 30th, 2026, respectively. Businesses planning to purchase electric vehicles or install chargers should act soon. A limited time deduction from 2025 to 2028 allows up to $10,000 of interest on loans for new U.S. assembled vehicles, personal or business use. The Opportunity Zone program is now permanent, but new compliance reporting starts in 2027 with updated maps adding rural tracts. Here are some key upcoming tax deadlines for 2026. January 15th, 2026, Q4 estimated taxes for 2025 for pass-through owners. January 31st, 2026, W-2 and 1099 NEC filing for employers and contractors. April 15th, 2026, tax day plus Q1 estimates for all calendar year filers. Here's what small business owners should do now. Review your entity structure to confirm you still qualify for the QBI deduction and maximize Section 179 and bonus depreciation. Update payroll systems to match new salary threshold and overtime rules. Adjust accounting workflows for 1099 reporting thresholds and privacy law compliance. Plan capital investments early. 100% expensing means big savings if you time purchases right. Consult a professional for personalized tax planning that integrates these 2025 and 2026 changes. The 2025 tax landscape is full of opportunity, but also complexity. Whether it's optimizing your deductions, tracking new privacy rules, or staying compliant with reporting deadlines, you don't have to do it alone. At 1-800-ACCOUNTANT, we pair you with a dedicated CPA who knows your state, your industry, and your goals so you can focus on running your business while we handle the rest. Schedule your free tax savings analysis today, and don't forget to subscribe for more small business tax tips and updates.